Hello, Brenton with All Out Octane here, and in today's video I'm going to be opening up the Hot Wheels off-road set, I guess you could say. I forget off the top of my head what it is, but I'm going to be opening up the rally car set, I guess that would be another word to put it, and I'm going to also open up the new Matchbox No Road, No Problem 5-pack. It does have the Golf Bug, it has 2 Jeeps, and those are probably the 2 highlights out of that, so we'll get to that. But first up, let's go ahead and start with the Ford Escort, number 1 of 6. And this car has been around for a while. Super cool. There it is. It doesn't have any front tampos, but it does have side tampos. Makes it pretty cool. One of my favorite liveries that this car has is the Swisher Motors car. That in like a pearlescent white. That is and it does have front tampos, the Swisher Motors car. That was probably, I think, the first release of it. Amazing looking vehicle. So that's pretty cool. Second is the 08 Lancer Evolution. And this car took me a little bit harder to find for some reason. This is the one that was hard for me to find. I had to go to multiple different Walmarts to try to find it. These cars were $1.24, so if you're getting them, you might get them for cheaper, you might get them for $1.24. I guess it just depends on the Walmart. But it does have front or top tampos, side tampos. This is a good looking car. This actually has a good tampo set on it. They did well on the design of this one. Alright, so let's move to number 3, which is the Volkswagen Scirocco, I cannot say that, GT24. I always butcher that. This was a good one to add to the mix. It works well for the rally set. No top tampos, just the sides. The nice wing on the back makes it look cool. Then we have the Mini Cooper S Challenge. I know that this car has been around for a while as well. There we go. Side tampos, top tampo. I don't really know what the rhyme or reason is to the tampos, but so it is. Next up, the 2009 Ford Focus RS. This is a cool little car. Almost looks like a Fiesta. I know it's not, but I think this is the Ken Block car that they did a while back, the original livery on it. No, this is a different one. Oh, maybe it's not. But there it is. No top tampos, it's just the sides. And I do believe that that's how the wheels are supposed to be, multicolored. Last up in that series is the Subaru Wrx Sti, and this is probably the best livery out of it. I don't know if they ever went with the blue, but this has a blue interior, as you can see. It's got a blue stripe here on the top for a top tampo, side tampos. This is a fantastic livery. Gold rims, harkening back to the rally days of the Subaru WRX. So yeah, they did well with this one. Probably my favorite out of the bunch. Alright, and last up is the No Road, No Problem Matchbox 5-pack. I figured since I was opening the rally cars from Hot Wheels, I'll open up this pack because it kind of fits that. Alright, so let's see if I can get these open. Butcher that. There we go. So obviously the most notable highlights are the 2 Jeeps and the Golf Bug. So let's just pull this one out really quick. Not quite sure what that is. Hummer of some sort, or a wannabe Hummer of some sort. Looks like something Batman would drive. This thing's actually pretty cool. I don't know what this one's called either, but I like the semi look to it. The dual rear axle. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go into the highlights of this case. So, first up, we've got the Jeep. I believe this is a doesn't say on the bottom, but there it is. They put a nice tampo set on this one, some brown for some mud. Then we have the second Jeep Wrangler, Gladiator. And this thing looks cool. So it's nice to see this recolored. They put some mud splatter on the side of that as well. And then the highlight is the Golf Baja Bug. Pretty cool. I don't know if it's exactly licensed as that, but that's what it looks like. Top tampo, side tampos. So there you go. There is the Matchbox rally cars and the Matchbox, or the Hot Wheels rally cars, Matchbox 5-pack off-road. I apologize, this was a quick video. I realized my battery was dying as I started it, so I did not have a lot of poise in this video. But I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any comments, let me know, and if you found these cars, and I'll hopefully have another video out for you soon. Happy hunting!